In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find tech jobs on Glassdoor. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, search effectively, refine results with filters, and browse roles that match your skills and interests. First, open Glassdoor in your web browser, or launch the mobile app, and sign into your account. Signing in gives you a smoother experience and helps you save roles for later. If you're using the app, make sure you're on the latest version so everything looks and works as expected. If you're on the website, a stable internet connection will help pages load quickly as you search. By the way, to make things easy, you'll find a direct link to the Glassdoor website and download links for the mobile app right at the top of the description. Use those to get to the correct page or store listing quickly and safely. Next, use the search bar to type job titles or keywords related to tech. Try terms like software developer, cloud engineer, or data scientist. If you already have a tech stack in mind, include tools or languages in your keywords. Think Python, React, or AWS, so your results reflect the roles you're truly targeting. Clear, specific keywords will help you avoid generic or unrelated results. Go ahead and hit search. This takes you to the job listings page, where you'll see all the current postings that match your query. The results will update based on what you typed, and you can start exploring titles, companies, and short previews of responsibilities. To zero in on the most relevant roles, open the filters. Select a salary range to align with your expectations. Choose a job type like full-time, part-time, or contract, and adjust the company rating to prioritize employers with stronger reviews. Filters help you focus on quality over quantity. If your results feel too limited, pull back one or two settings and widen your range. If they feel too broad, tighten them a bit more. Now browse your filtered results. Scroll through and look for roles that match your experience, interests, and career goals. Open individual postings to read the responsibilities, required skills, and the tech stack. Take note of the posted date, any location requirements, and whether the role mentions your preferred tools or methodologies. If something looks promising, keep it accessible so you can compare options later and move quickly when you're ready. And that's it. You can now easily find tech jobs on Glassdoor using smart searches and targeted filters. Thanks for watching.